That's a big nozzle.
The same as that one.
So we have a Tesla Model X in today. We actually cleared the entire vehicle in the past. We're gonna be doing exterior wash, and then we're gonna be cleaning the inside.
Actually shoots really thick. Like I was doing a GT2 RS. That thing was sexy. I put my white stuff all over it. It was very thick. I'm talking about soap. This one ran a little bit thin. I think I drank too much water.
Maybe it ran thin because you used too much of it on the GT2 RS. You needed time to recharge.
It's what the Tesla likes. I can hear Elon Musk moaning right now. Apartamentos La Plaza. I blinked with both eyes, did I?
I think so.
Apartamentos La Plaza.
You did it again.
Apartamentos La Plaza.
So it's not too bad, but the carpet is kind of gross. There's like a lot of stuff. So it needs to be vacuumed for sure, as you can see.
There's
carpet.
water bottles everywhere.
Yeah, I know.
It must be hydrated.
Seats are not too bad, surprisingly. They're white and they have held up pretty well.
Overall striped shirt. That's when you ate too much pastrami.
Oh, the irony.
This is people that go to Equinox. Equinox, bro.
That makes sense because I don't see you in there.
Look at this. Look at this.
Oh, it's green.
Yeah, no. Coronavirus.
You think that's how it came to America?
I think so. It came because of you guys. Now my light died. It doesn't want to deal with your. I'll vacuum it, but I'm not touching that. That'll be a day 2 thing.
So way back when, before we started doing the vlogs, we actually got this cool RS5 in, and let me show you what we did to it because it's pretty cool. So this came to us as a stock, brand new white RS5. But what's so cool about this one is because it didn't have the red stripes, so we actually added the red details you see here. So the offset red hood stripe, did the pinstripe down the middle, goes from the hood to the roof to the trunk, all offsetted. So it's nice, right centered with the RS5 badge. So it's really nice, really sporty, as you can see. And we also put on Vossen HF3 wheels in satin black, so it's really sporty, goes really well with the whole car theme. And right now what we're doing is we're actually changing out the center caps and the lug nuts too. We're adding the Vossen lugs, or the Vossen locks to it. So let me show you what these look like. You love Escalantes.
Bro, different vibe.
Anyway, this is what they look like. Pretty cool. And those are the sport billet. Stop. And those are. And those are the sport billet center caps. The red's powder coated, so it's a really nice pop to it. And then you have the details in the center, just telling you what kind of wheel it is. One of the reasons I really like this RS5 that we've done is because it almost looks like something that Audi would do. Okay. If they were trying to build like a special edition RS5, like it's not too over the top, but it's just different enough from like the standard factory RS5s, like you know that's very unique. It's almost like something they would do if they want to do like a limited edition, so that's why I really like this setup. All right, let's see what Will has done. Well, that definitely looks a lot better. So this is the driver's side floor mat. You guys saw this earlier. It was really messy. And the seats are nice and wiped down, so is the dash area. It looks rejuvenated, you know? It wasn't like the dirtiest car that we've worked on, but it definitely was one of those cars where it's just really dusty. It just kind of sat, so a lot of tree pollen, bugs, and just things just kind of like laid and covered all over it.
Brought you some pastrami too.
Really?
Yeah. It's a cheaper meat, so you have to tell me.
Of course.
I think this spot is very moist right there. I'll eat this piece, you eat that piece. You seem very happy.
That was good, Will. You don't eat sauerkraut without anything else on there.
No, I eat it straight.
No, you don't.
I've done it before.
Ew, why?
And then you finish it off with topo.
The pinky's up.
Oh, yeah.
Deep Talks with EVS Motors. That Bronco render I showed you, I like it a lot.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
I think it's too aggressive for them to sell that as is to the market.
Look at Raptors.
It's more aggressive than the Raptor. Look at the fenders.
That's not how it's gonna look. It's gonna be like the new Chevy Blazer. So the Blazer was like the Bronco competitor back in the day. Oh. And the new Blazer is literally like, they took just a normal Chevy SUV and like put the Blazer name on it. So it's literally just like a road car.
You guys might remember this one. We sat and guarded the entire thing. It's back today because we're doing like a maintenance checkup just to make sure everything is good. It was laying down, especially since this car is completely wrapped. We just want to make sure that everything's good still. We installed the satin guard on this back in October. It looks really good. I'm really happy with how it's held up. Of course, you still have to take care of it and do your part as an owner, but it looks amazing. Ooh. Yo, what are you doing, bro?
I'm putting on the Radar Blendmount.
I don't know if I ever showed you guys this R8. This is pretty cool. Yellow R8 with yellow stitching on the inside. So right now Tyler's installing a blend mount. It works on radars and also works on dash cams too. The cool thing with the blend mount is that it removes the need for you to use a suction cup mount to mount your radar or your dash cams, and it actually hooks onto the base of your mirror, as you guys can see. It's actually made of metal or aluminum. It's a lot sturdier. It doesn't fall off like some suction cups can. So we're installing that to mount with this Escort radar right here. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog for today. Thanks so much for watching. We want to work on your cars, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Click up here for a video recommended just for you, down here for a news video, and up here to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. What's up guys, I have Daniel here, big fan of vlogs. You want to say anything to the viewers?
Go subscribe EVS Motors, best one in A-Leaf. If y'all have any car to work on, come here. They're like the best ever.
Thanks Daniel, appreciate it. You heard that guys. Very cool.